What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Khadijah and today we're back with another hair tutorial. Today's wig is from Sterlyhair. We got a really sweet deal. This one is a 30-inch deep wave frontal unit, less than $200, and I'm super excited to show you guys. This is their packaging. And let me go ahead and show you guys the wig. So along with their wig, we did receive some small gifts in our package as well. So this is the unit. It is a 30-inch 13x6 frontal unit. It already came pre-plucked, ready to be installed with the strap attached. It is already plucked, already ready to wear. And I could see this as a very cute vacation unit. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and move along. So I have my hair braided already. I'm just going to go ahead and put a wig cap on. I'm using this super thin HD wig cap because it blends better underneath my wigs. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. So I did apply foundation to my wig cap. I'm just going to apply a little bit on the lace as well. Again, this one is a 13x6, so it has that really nice deep part, and the unit already came pre-plucked. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some foundation and then we put our wig on. For today's install, I will be using my Even Wonder Vitamin E Melting Spray. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it underneath the lace. Then we tie this down, let it dry, cut the lace off, finish styling our wig. But I did cut it into 3 layers just so it's easier to handle when I am gluing my wig. So I'm just going to go in section by section, ear to ear. Alright guys, so this is what our wig is looking like. I just finished melting the lace and it's giving us a really natural vibes. I won't be making any baby hair on my unit. This is the vibes that we're going for. It's super natural, super pretty. What I'm about to do now is to tie this down, then we finish styling our unit. Alright guys, this is the final look. It is super pretty. I got some really nice curls on this one, and I overall just love the unit. I feel like it was super easy to install. It gave us a really nice natural finish, and this is it. It is very soft. I love how it's looking. Again, this unit is from Sterlyhair, and this is their 30-inch deep wave unit. The density on this one is 150%. It is a 13x6 deep wave unit, but I honestly love it. This is the perfect vacation hair for summer. I love that it's given length. It's giving us some really nice curls, and the lace melts pretty good. Like, it is melted, and I just love how this turned out. I will be linking the unit down below. If you guys want to go ahead and purchase, then go ahead and click that link in my description. Use my code to get your discounts. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.